Hey guys, so this is how I made my herbal water to wash my hair. If you're using this water to wash your hair, be rest assured for a very healthy growing hair. So if you want to see how I made this water, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna have a clean cooking pot. I'll be using this pot to boil all the herbs together in water. So the first herb I'm going to be using here is my neem plant. So for hair, neem leaves has been known for three main purposes. One is it contains antifungal properties which will help to get rid of dandruff from the hair. It will also help to reduce hair fall and hair breakage, which will automatically promote hair growth, and also it helps to open hair follicles to enhance the growth of hair. So basically, neem is our number one plant when we come to hair care. So I'm going to be having these neem leaves in my cooking pot. You can also get rid of the stems if you want, but I'm boiling mine with my stem. And also, if you want more from the neem leaves, then you can blend the leaves before adding it into your pot. The next herb here is my lemongrass. Ordinarily, lemongrass doesn't grow hair, but what it does is to reduce the excess sebum that the hair produces, which will aid the hair from growing better and faster. So it doesn't grow hair, but it will definitely improve the growth of hair. So the target is the essential oil in it. I'm also going to be adding some ginger roots. Now ginger is one ingredient that the hair loves, although the hair does not need it in overdose. If you have ginger too much on your hair, it may give you a headache, so be careful when you're adding ginger to your hair. Okay, now another ingredient we're going to be using here is your cloves. Now clove is a very amazing ingredient for your hair product, especially when targeted at the roots. It helps to prevent hair fall and promote hair growth. I'm also going to be adding some lemon slices. This will also help as an exfoliant like the ginger to help to exfoliate the hair scalps and reduce the excess sebum on the hair. It also helps to combat dandruff and any other fungal infection, and above all, it will help to give your hair a very great shine. So if you have a dull kind of hair, lemon is a great choice for you. I'm going to add all these ingredients together in my cooking pot, and thereafter add sufficient clean water into the herbs. Now add enough water that will enable you to wash your hair. However, if it's not enough, you can mix the mixture with more water. Okay, so I'm going to take this to boil on a high heat so that all the ingredients may come outside. Okay, so make sure you're stirring while this is boiling so that all the ingredients can be incorporated and can all extract into the water. If you've watched up to this point and you've not given me a thumb up and subscribe and hitting the subscribe button, please help me to do that right away. It helps me to grow my channel and also helps me to bring more amazing content your way. So please do well to hit the subscribe button right away. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you are a returning subscriber, remember that I really love and appreciate you. So after boiling this, I'm going to go straight to strain it up. Now look at the water has changed. You can boil more and more, but make sure that your water isn't drying out. So I'm going to strain this to get out my water, and voila, my herbal water for my hair is ready. I use this water to wash my hair after every treatment I make with my hair, and I love the outcome and the feel after using this water. So if this video is helpful to you, please do well to give me a thumb up, and I want you to try this and then give me a feedback. Remember that if this water is not enough for you to wash your hair, you definitely can add more water to it, and also you can use it while hot or let it cool before you use. Thank you so much for stepping by to watch this video. I wish to see you in my next video, but for now, take care and have a lovely day.